Hey everyone, the other day when I was making this wreath, I was asked about the easel that I had it sitting on, so I thought I would show you what I've got. This is actually a smaller one, but it's the same thing essentially. This is an artist easel. You can buy these at Michael's or anywhere. And so the only thing that I did was I turned it around to the back side so that this tray, which the artist uses to put his brushes on, won't be in the way. And you can angle it either way, so I angle it back just a little bit to put the wreath on. And essentially, all I did was add a cup hook of some sort. That's what this is right now, right here. I just screwed that in, so that's the cup hook. And then you can use this to hang your wreath on. It also goes up and down. You can slide it up and down so that you can make it taller. Here we go. Go up like that, or shorter, whichever you like. I'll show you the bigger one. That's a small one that I use sometimes for smaller things. But this big mama is on a big one, so let me remove it so you can see it. It's exactly the same thing. It's an artist easel, and I've got it turned around backwards. You can see that the tray for the artist paint brushes are on the back, and I've got it slanted back a little bit. It can adjust up and down with these wing nuts on the sides. And all I did to this was to add a hook. That's just a cup hook, and that's all you have to do.